情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
新年快乐！
哦，快到了 That's right, a New Year is upon us. 新年快乐。怎么说 How do you say that? Happy New Year.
新年快乐。
新年快乐 Okay, very easy, very simple. Remember that. And let's teach you some phrases. 那我们来教几个句子好了。
好。
比如说，快到年底了，预祝你新年快乐。It's almost the end of the year, so let me wish you an early Happy New Year.
每到年代咧，
每到年代咧，
一祝新年快乐。
一祝新年快乐。Okay, 预祝你新年快乐嘛 right? Yes, an early Happy New Year to you. And you know what? I think we need to teach people how to count down. 我觉得干脆来教大家怎么去倒数好了，从4开始好了，4、3、2、1，好，新年快乐。好 ，Let's do that. 4, 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year.
4、3、2、1，新年快乐。
4、3、2、1，新年快乐，是这样子吗？All right, to review, why don't we recount down again together? 我们一起来倒数，让大家也可以记得，好不好？
好。
Okay, starting from 4，从4开始哦。4、3、2、1，新年快乐 ！And there you have it. Have a happy New Year. Thank you for listening to Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.